gonna see snake and I always call that.
A little morning photo of Half Dome as sun comes up. Seems like every hike around here is right around Half Dome.
That's pretty.
Yeah, that is absolutely gorgeous. First waterfall should probably be coming up here somewhere.
Yeah.
All right, here's our plan. Proven to go wrong for today. This trail closes at 7 a.m. for repairs.
It's 5:36.
We gotta walk down here about a half mile, check out our waterfall, and get back before that closes, everything goes away.
Yeah, and there's a bathroom right here, so we want to use it.
Let's take you with. This doesn't work, today could be an interesting day. Whew, all right. This could work. We're getting close to the waterfall, get our views in, make it back to the mist trail, like water mist, before they close the gates and start the construction. I don't know why we always put ourselves through this, but I'm here in the water.
So we don't want to get up at 3 a.m.
Yeah, that's right. We don't want to get up at 3 a.m. 4 a.m. was bad enough.
Yeah. Waterfalls. I think this is Nevada Falls. I'm not sure.
I think it is. Nevada Falls worked back before trail closure. Wish us luck.
Yeah, we'll need it.
All right. Don't know if our trail's going to be open. Don't know how we're getting back to the van correctly, but that was amazing.
That was worth it.
Holy crap. Stunning.
Stunning. There's no adjective for it.
Yosemite, you've stolen my heart. If you can hear me over the water, Nevada Falls for the win. This is amazing.
Think the bear lives in here?
Ah, yeah. It's the bare necessities.
B-A-E-R necessities. It's the bare necessities.
Found our bear cave.
Found our bear cave.
This, my friends, is going to be a gorgeous hike down, isn't it, Missy?
Yes, this is beautiful.
Stunning.
Beautiful.
Just watch your step. Well, that was a crazy start. You see that rock wall? Just tight switchbacks. I think this has about 700 stone stairs on this trail. Yeah, you heard me right, 700. Gonna be an amazing waterfall. So this worked out. We got up early. We passed this trail, mist trail that closes, for a half mile to check out that last fall. We're successfully able to get back to this trail before 7 a.m. They close it at 7 to 3 every day right now. They're doing maintenance. And as long as you're on it, you're good. So now we know how we're getting back to Eddie Vander. We're gonna check out this beauty. freaking unbelievable, guys.
Wow, look at this, guys.
Like, I don't even know how to describe Yosemite anymore.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
Absolutely stunning.
This is, I think, what, Vernal Falls?
Not there yet.
No, not there yet. Okay, this is another one. No, wait, this is Nevada still.
Nevada
this is the one that we were at up at the bridge.
I've run out of adjectives. I can't turn this camera off.
Stunning.
Let's get back to hiking.
Yeah.
Yeah, he said the other one's a little boring. What's up, crazies?
Hi. Look at this. This is great.
Oh, look at that. Can you make it out way up there? The waterfall that we were last at? The ultimate sliding rock. Dude, this hike down, wicked, unbelievable. The mist trail is amazing. I don't know, I'm done with adjectives, guys. Freaking crazy, wicked, stupid cool, all of the above. Me taking some pictures. This trail is like magical wonderland.
Crazy.
Unbelievably amazing.
Oh, look at it. It's so pretty. I love this rock look.
It's crazy. Man, this was close. The ranger actually said no, that we couldn't pass after we did the entire trail and just the last little bit left, which would have meant just destroying this day.
Yeah, we would have had to go all the way back to where we were and go a whole different way.
But he let us go. Thank you.
Thank you. And
we should be down for pizza and beer in not too long.
yeah.
looking at this the rest of the way. Oh my God. Check this out. Crazy. Come on in here.
This is amazing.
Possibly the coolest trail I've ever done.
Yeah.
The mist trail with a couple other things.
Yeah, it's awesome. Best one.
All right. We're all but down. Less than a mile back down to the village. Oh man. A lot of thoughts and emotions about this trail and this trip. But for now, all I can think about is that hand-tossed pizza and a cold beer. I really hope they have craft beer. Everybody right now, cross your fingers and hope they have some craft beer for me. Comment below. I don't know, Yosemite National Park. Do you think you will find craft beer or no craft beer? Let me know.
Pretty.
Stunning.
Look at it. I love the color of the water.
I know.
Teal kind of green color.
Right?
I love the
Green,
rocks.
teals.
Yeah.
Absolutely unbelievable.
It's just beauty everywhere you look.
I couldn't imagine a better week-long backpacking trip.
Right? And ending like this? This is amazing.
Yeah.
The waterfalls?
The whole way.
Yeah.
But how good is that beer gonna taste?
Look at that one.
Oh,
Oh my God, more waterfalls, you guys.
that's way in the distance up here. I'll see if I can get a picture of it.
Beautiful.
Holy smokes, man. The whole 7 miles is like waterfalls.
Yes.
Unfreaking believable.
In 2 months. No. This is always such a pretty look. I love this look. I love it. Yeah. I'm gonna get the big.
All right, we made it down. We made it to beer.
Yay, beer.
And pizza's on the way. This is gonna be awesome. National park prices, so you know I'm a cheap ass, but you know, what can you do?
Yeah.
Cheers to one heck of a week in the backcountry. All right, here it is, folks.
Look at this thing.
This is what you do after a week in the backcountry of Yosemite. We're gonna power eat and then take a nap.
Yeah, exactly.